All right, we can go in and do some Venetian plaster. Another day at the office.
You need this other.
All right, you clear it off. Come on in here. All right. I'm not sponsoring no product or anything else. This is for information and get to know me purposes. We got Golden Works, Paint Works, Venetian Plaster. That's my preferred product to do this. This is my method. There's 1,000 different ways of doing this, but this is what I do. And today we're just going to put on the first coat. It's just going to be a solid glue, a base coat, something I can work with. Okay, come on over here. I'm going to start off, these are the trowels I use for the first coat. I'm going to get us a little, we're going to put it on there, kind of like so, get us plenty, and then this is what we're going to have. And so we're going to continue to apply till we have a solid coat. What we're going to do is we're going to apply this on, and we're going to let it set just for a little bit till it gets what I like to call tight. And then we're going to go back over it lightly to get a lot of line and stuff like that out. ready to set for just a little bit. We're gonna go back over it, which will make it easier to take out any imperfections and lines and stuff like that. Okay, so now, that's gonna be it for now, until our next coat. We appreciate it. Thank you, and join us for the next phase.